up guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching The Fixer, and today I have a really exciting video to share with you guys. This is going to be my first impression / review on the Crayon Case eyeshadow palette. This is so nostalgic for me because I remember when I was really young and I used to sit in my mom's room and color and do arts and crafts and watch this show called Out of the Box. Yo, give this video a thumbs up if you used to love Out of the Box. That was my favorite freaking show ever. So long, farewell to you, my friend. Goodbye, farewell, until we meet again. Make sure y'all give me a like because of that. Okay, but anyways, yeah, so let's get started. I have my package here. So it just comes in a regular cardboard box, and when you open it, it says Crayon Case, and it comes with this little card here that says thank you for your purchase. Also comes with an invoice. Oh, I should not have shown that because my address is on there. It comes with a invoice so you can see what you got, and it came via UPS and it was packaged really good. It had a sticker, a fragile sticker on there to let people know to handle it with care, so that's really good that they did that because makeup is very fragile. So it came with this black tissue paper, just says Crayon Case on it, and then the palette came bubble wrapped. And then you just unravel it, and this is the packaging. It's so pretty. I love it. Oh my gosh, I've been seeing so many reviews on this palette. When it came out, I was definitely about to hit that add to cart button, but it was sold out. And then I saw Cosmoholic Anonymous do a review on it, and she let us know that it was back in stock. So I was like, girl, yes. It comes in another layer of bubble wrap, and yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's a really big palette, and so let's open it. So this is what it looks like. This mirror is to die for. It's huge, and also the pans of the eyeshadow are huge as well. They have the basic colors that basically come in a Crayola box. So blue, green, red, yellow, all that. And it comes with a plastic sleeve to keep it protected, and this is what it looks like. Now let me focus a little bit so y'all can see. So in this palette you get 18 pans of eyeshadow, which is really good for the price. So I paid $30 for this palette, and the shipping was $8.99. The shipping was kind of much, but you know, what can you do? So altogether I paid $38.99 for this palette. It came fairly quickly. I placed my order on June 4th and I got it on Thursday. So I got it in like 3 days because Thursday was the 7th and I placed my order on the 4th. So I kind of have an idea of what eyeshadow look I want to do, but I'm not entirely sure. Let me do some quick swatches for you of some shades in here. Just do the blue. Gonna do the deep plum and silver. So this is what they look like. Very pigmented. This is crazy. So can y'all see? Yeah, y'all can't see. Okay, and it almost came off like there's barely any eyeshadow on my finger anymore after that swipe. And then the plum. So that's what it looks like. Hold up. This is what, it's so awkward. We always do it so awkward, all the YouTubers, I swear. Y'all get the picture, right? Look at this. Y'all can see this, right? It looks good. It looks really good. So, enough talking. Let's let the palette talk for itself. Okay, so as you guys can see, I already did my foundation and stuff. So I put concealer on my eyelids, set it with powder, and then put like a vanilla shade on top of it. But even though I did that, I'm still going to prime one of my eyes with her. So I'm using the Laura Mercier Eye Basics primer in the color Wheat, and I'm going to put it on my right eyelid.
Okay, I'm wavy with my crew. Okay, I'm wavy with my crew.
I don't know if it's because I have powder on, but it didn't really blend out good, but it's okay. I'm gonna start with this color here, which is tan, and I'm going to put that in my crease. No, I'm gonna actually use it as a transition color.
You know, if we ain't got it, we'll rob one. The boy, you know that you my kid, yeah, you're my son. Get up on the beat and punch the lines like Tyson. Why they hating, I don't even know, what have I done? What? You want the beef, I bring it to you, nigga, why run? Shout out to my hitters who be ducking.
It doesn't show up too much. It's like just a wash of color, but I don't expect too much because it's a really light color. I'm going to use the color green for my eyelids. It looks like it has some shimmer in it, but it also looks matte, so I can't tell. I like it. It's pigmented. And this is definitely a matte shade.
Your shorty love it too. They don't wanna see a young and prosper, but it's all Gucci. I be suited like a mobster. Bitch, I'm burning Kush, flame the bush, call me.
Arrow. Take the color Deep Plum, and I'm going to put that on my outer V and blend it upwards.
All my haters creeping like construction, they'll spot ya. What's that you said? Bust your head, block a blocker. Now you're running on your foot.
I'm actually gonna use a smaller brush for this.
The sound.
And then to blend out the purple and the tan color, I'm gonna use brown. I'm gonna use brown. I should have did that earlier.
Boss. YBC. Mom. Okay, I'm wavy with.
So I think this look would go good with silver. So I'm just gonna use, this is silver right here, and put that in my inner corner.
My crew. Okay, I'm wavy with my crew. Okay, I'm wavy with my crew.
For my brow bone highlights, I'm gonna do this very lightly. I'm going to use the color white. I'm gonna use the color white. It has a little bit of shimmer in there, and I'm just gonna put that on my brow bone. I'm gonna do it very lightly just to get a wash of color there.
But just know that I be shining. Money hungry, YBC, we steady dining. You say you a gangster, hold up, did you put your time?
For the bottom, I'm gonna try doing this lime green. Not too sure how it's gonna come out because I know the lime green isn't, well, I know lime green is hard to make, so If this comes out good, then we Gucci. The green isn't really showing up. What do I want to do? I don't know if I want to. I think I'll use Deep Plum under instead.
Like it's pasta. All my head is creeping like construction, they spot ya. What's that you said? Bust your head, blocker. Now you're running on your foot like a.
I'm gonna mix some purple in there. Basically the look. I'm just going to clean up the side of my eyes with some concealer, because I don't like when it's not looking sharp. So okay guys, so this is the final look. It's pretty simple. I didn't go too much out there, but overall I love this palette, and I already knew before I purchased it that I was gonna love it because number one, arts and crafts is life. Had lipstick on my teeth, but yeah, and the colors are bomb, the packaging is bomb. I already watched the reviews, so I knew it was gonna be bomb. So basically, yeah, I just wanted to show this to you guys just in case you're still on the fence of getting this palette. I think it's definitely worth the $30. I honestly don't think this eyeshadow palette needs a primer, because this one eye that I didn't put primer on looks really good. They look both the same. You're getting really good eyeshadow size pieces in here, and you get a really big mirror. This is the mirror that I use to do the makeup look, so I think it's really convenient, and I just love all the colors. And again, I love the fact that it's inspired by a crayon box. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video and enjoyed this look. So see you guys next time. Bye.